Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, where we dive into the science behind nutrition and healthy living. If you're on a weight loss journey, you might think that all fruits are great for shedding those extra pounds. But did you know that some fruits could actually slow down your progress? Today we're talking about the fruits to avoid if you're trying to lose weight. Let's get started. Fruits are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. But not all fruits are created equal when it comes to weight loss. Some are high in natural sugars and calories, which could impact your results if you're not careful. Certain fruits can lead to blood sugar spikes and cause cravings, making it harder to stick to your weight loss goals. So, let's look at a few fruits you should minimize in your diet. First on the list are bananas. While bananas are packed with nutrients like potassium, they're also high in natural sugars and contain more calories than many other fruits. If you're trying to lose weight, opt for lower sugar fruits like berries. Next up, mangoes. Mangoes are delicious, but they're also one of the sugariest fruits out there. One mango can contain over 45 grams of sugar, which can sabotage your calorie goals if eaten in excess. Moderation is key. Number 3 is grapes. Grapes may seem light, but they're packed with sugar. Plus, they're easy to overeat because of their small size. This can lead to quick blood sugar spikes, causing cravings later on. Another fruit to watch out for is avocado. Now, don't get me wrong, avocados are full of healthy fats, but they're also very calorie dense. If you're trying to lose weight, you'll need to be mindful of portion sizes, even with healthy options like avocados. And finally, dried fruits. Dried fruits like raisins, apricots, and dates are packed with concentrated sugar and calories. Just a small handful can contain as much sugar as a candy bar. While they have nutrients, they should be eaten sparingly if weight loss is your goal. So there you have it, 5 fruits to avoid or limit if you're trying to lose weight. Remember, weight loss is about balance and moderation. You don't have to cut these fruits out entirely, but be mindful of your portion sizes and opt for lower calorie, fiber-rich fruits like berries, apples, and citrus when possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.